YouTube, welcome back. Today we're working on our here Fury, and we're going to be relocating that front fender. All right, so watch the intro. We'll get back to the vid. What I got here is a front fender relocation bracket from SLK Customs. Link in the description below. They're not a paid affiliate or what have you, but what are you, cloudy? Hello? Is this thing on? Now, eventually, are we gonna see motorcycles on this motorcycle tour? Jurassic Park joke. Anyway, SLK Customs front fender relocation mount bracket. Link in the description below. It is what it is, right? You can get it chrome or you can get it powder coated black. I'm using a semi-gloss black. Theirs is a gloss black, so I actually got the chrome. The spacers, the washers, the nut, and the brackets themselves, I powder coated myself, so it matches the bike. What you're gonna need for the install is a 10mm wrench, because there's 4 bolts all together. And then you're gonna need an Allen key. By the looks of it, it's number 5. Storm's coming. My freaking knee is killing me. Righty tighty, lefty loose. 10mm screws, take all 4 off. Once the fender's out, take the long bracket, one that has more of an angle on there. It goes towards the top, the front of the bike, and the more softer edge angle here goes towards the back. They give you 4 little short screws and lock washers on the top part of the bag. Again, you can follow the instructions, but if you wanted to know how to do it before you buy it, this is the video for you. So I got all 4 screws, all 4 bolts with lock washers in there, with the fender hanging out off on the end. Next, go to your bag. There's going to be 4 bolts, and there's going to be 4 nylon lock nuts. Next, what you're gonna do, simply, when you get the fender on, it will go on to the bracket, then through here, and then you would take a nut on the back side. You just take your nuts and tighten them on the back side, and you're freaking done. 11mm, 4mm, tight, 11mm, 4mm, tight. You ready? There it is. Looks the same, but I know it's back more. The reason why I got the SLK Fender Relocator, tire picks up some pebbles and rocks. You'll see inside, I have yet to get the mesh to cover that. Not only does it pull it back more, but it hugs the bottom tighter. So, any rocks that got kicked up, hopefully they'll grab the fender before they go up and into the front scoop. Anyway, that's today's episode. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoyed it. That looks totally badass. The Fury definitely is coming along, but more to come. Sit tight. You know the drill. Like, comment, subscribe. You want to see something else? Click over here. Click over here. We'll catch you on the flip side. All right? Peace.